Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download games from Steam on PC easily. Let's get started. Steam is a trusted and official gaming platform where you can download free and paid PC games safely. First, open your web browser, search for the Steam official website. Link is in the description. Download and install the Steam application on your PC. After installation, open Steam. Log into your account or create a free Steam account. Click on the Store tab. Use the search bar to find the game you want to download. Scroll down to see game details. If the game is free, click Add to Library. The game will be added to your library. If the game is paid, click Add to Cart, complete the purchase, then go to the Library tab at the top. Find your game in the library. Click on it, then click Install. Choose the install location and start the download. That's it! This is how to download games from Steam on PC safely and legally.